Catch the sunrise with a heart-healthy ritual that's as simple as it is rewarding. Welcome to Unlocking Heart Health, the morning elixir. Awaken your senses and kickstart your day with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This liquid gold is not just for drizzling over your salad. It's packed with monounsaturated fats that lower bad LDL cholesterol, giving your heart the care it deserves. But we're not stopping there. Add a dash of vitality with a teaspoon of lemon juice. Overflowing with vitamin C and antioxidants, this citrusy delight gives your heart and overall health that extra zing. The magic doesn't end with a delightful taste. This morning elixir helps manage cholesterol levels, fights inflammation, and aids in digestion. All that in just one spoonful. So why wait? Incorporate this morning elixir into your daily routine and watch the transformation unfold. Here's to a healthier heart, happier you. Remember, your heart's well-being is a journey, not a destination. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more health tips and share the love. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy.